Hello Lefty Wannabes and welcome to my channel, Right Left Hand. Today we are on maintenance 4. Let's go ahead and get started. As per usual, I'm going to write the day. Let me move this paper over a little bit. Over here, maintenance 4. Oh, hopefully the pen is not dying, especially because I've barely used it. It is year 2019. Alright, and we'll go ahead and get started. So again, just keeping it fairly simple. Writing these uppercase letters, and then writing the lowercase letters. Just want to get them all out in a clean and efficient manner so that it all looks good, and so that we just keep up the good work, you know? So hopefully you guys are finding these maintenance videos to be useful. I know that they're useful for me. I think I've already seen an improvement over these past few weeks, or, you know, 2, 3, 4 weeks, I guess. Yeah, because I can't even count right now. Whatever, because it's technically 8 weeks, but I've done it 4 weeks in total. So anyways, yeah, since I'm doing these in conjunction with cursive, quote, and drawing, they overlap on the 3rd week. I guess January was kind of a weird week since there were, like, kind of, not really 5, but because the day I started on, there were 5, were there 5 Tuesdays? I can't even remember because that was, what, 2 weeks ago now? Anyways, now that I've written both the lowercase and uppercase, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the numbers. Again, these are pretty simple, as they should be. Just got to keep on keeping on, keep on practicing, making sure that we're not falling behind. Make sure that we are following along with all these videos so that we can get the most out of our practice that we do fairly often. Alright, there you have it. Maintenance 4 2019. Alrighty, goodbye.